Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and I'm very excited to bring you the relaunch of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor, gone in 60 seconds. This is from Fan Home and this is pack 25 and we are doing issue 95 today, and this is because I've been seeing on my analytics that you are enjoying the single issues more than the pack issues. So let's just concentrate on 95 today. So that's what we will be doing. So let's get on with that one. So this is 95. Let's just open this up. I really can't believe that we are completing this build. It's been a long journey. Don't really want to dwell on the past, but would really like to thank Fan Home for all what they have done. Couple of screws. This is what we will be needing. So this is just brackets for cables, I believe. So let's just see. So let's bring over our body. Well, I haven't seen this in a long while. Mine is heavily modded with the hinges and things, so I have done a preview in previous videos. But as you can see, the pins do stay in. I'm gonna see if I could get a close-up view. That seems to be okay. So let's just bring that just there. Now we would need this plastic part. It would just need to be located just there, and that is with DS06 screws. Let's just take a couple of these out, and I'm gonna do my best to keep at this angle. Okay, so that's now in place. It was a lot more difficult than I made it look because of the angle. You could imagine my hands are like this. So I think what we need to do now is bring over our front end, which I'm quite excited about. So let's just get this ready. And bring that like that. So this is our front. You might be able to see that it's a lot different than most people's. I've done different lenses and it has metal grills. So mine has been heavily modified. We will attempt to attach this now. The problem is that I have a lot more cables and very delicate cables, so I have to be very careful on inserting this. So let's see. I think we can go through these holes, the LEDs. So let's see if I could get this right. Okay, so there's a couple of holes just here, which I think we could feed our cables through. let's try do that carefully. This is one side. I'm quite nervous. Oh, really taking my time with this now. I don't really need any cables to split at this stage. And these SMD cables are very thin. Let's just slowly pull these through. Seem to be doing okay. Ah, hold up. I think I see what's the problem. Like I said, mine is being modified. And I don't know. If this is in the way now, I think they are. So I might have to come back to use and remove these, because it seems to not go the way it should. I think that's the problem. Let's show you. These are in the way. So I'm gonna just remove these and see if they will fit. So these was just some parts I made up before. So there was for the horn. I could probably relocate them somewhere else, but let's see if this will slide on now. The best thing is we will need to turn it over. Well, let me attempt to do that. I should have done that before. Try to do this. And I'm going to just bring our pillow. Pillows from Partwork upgrades, but yeah, I think I need a new cover, not a paint and everything on the other side. Okay, you can see a lot easier now what I'm doing. So you have to forgive me because, like I said, there's a lot more cables that I have to try to manage. Pulling these very thin cables, it's not that easy. But we're getting there. Okay, goodness, that was a bit of a mission. So with that, I'm gonna try to attempt, this is, what are they? DSO2 screws. So we will need 4 of these. Like I said, because there's a lot more mods, a lot more cables, that wasn't that straightforward. Let's just try to find my screwdriver, which I have on hand, and once one goes in, then the other should be simple enough. I'm gonna just put a bit of oil on the screws as they are going into metal. Alright, that's all screwed in place now, and the next part would be to tidy up these cables, but on yours it will just be one single cable down this track and again with this track. Then you will break off these and just pin this down, but unfortunately, as you can see, mine is modified and my cables, I'm gonna do a tidy up, but they won't actually go down the channel here like it shows. So I'm gonna do my own thing. So I'm gonna flip this over and see how that looks. Let's see if I can get the other camera. Can I lift this? Yep. Alright, I'm well pleased with that. That looks amazing and fits really good, lines up nicely. Really excited. So with that in mind, I would like to say thank you for watching, and if you could do us a big favor, if you could hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.